How can your K-12 district strengthen its network security? First, deploy strong firewalls and intrusion detection systems. These tools actively monitor your network, blocking unauthorized access and detecting threats in real time. Next, implement network segmentation. By dividing your network into separate zones, you limit how far a cyber attack can spread, protecting critical areas like student records and administrative systems. Regularly update software and manage patches consistently. Cybercriminals exploit outdated systems. Staying current prevents vulnerabilities. Strengthen security further by enabling multi-factor authentication. MFA ensures only authorized users can access sensitive information, even if passwords are compromised. Proactively monitor and log your network's activity. Early detection helps IT teams respond to potential threats quickly and effectively. Finally, provide ongoing cybersecurity training. Educating students and staff on safe online practices is essential to reducing accidental breaches. By taking these proactive steps, your district can build a stronger, safer network. Learn more at Securus360.com.